Hey guys, hope you had a great new year. I'm back at it today. Gonna do some sanding, some painting, and some more assembly. So, hope you enjoyed your new year, and I did the same. I know it's gonna be a great new year, so stay with me, and we're gonna continue this build and see how it goes. So I picked up what I think is going to be the color for the Squaredrop, and it's called brass wood. It's actually a tan. Let's see if I can show it to you. It looks pretty good. Probably won't show up in the video, but what we're going to do is put a little test on it and see what it looks like on the wood. Too particular about how I paint this. This is just a test. And really what I'm looking for is just to see how it finishes once it dries. Best method, I should be doing a roller on it. But this is going to be the bottom, so I'm going to repaint the bottom anyway. I just wanted to see how it holds up, what it looks like. So far so good. I like it. I wanted a light color. I've looked at a lot of videos on teardrops, and the dark colors, I guess, I mean, they look nice. And I think it's just a preference, but I like a lighter color. It just seems to suit my personality better. And we're not going to do any extreme off-roading or anything like that in this build. This is just to be able to go see my kids, maybe take a trip out west to see my son in Albuquerque. That would be great. So it's not going to be too extreme, but it looks like it's going to go on nice. I'll do a roller coat when I really get down to it. Right now I'm just playing, but it looks like it's going to be nice. I'll show you here in a second. Let me get this done. I promised I wasn't going to do too many videos of me actually just doing stuff, but I figured why not bring you along for the ride on this one. And this will get several coats. This won't be the finished coat. I'm going to be moving this piece around a lot, and it's going to get all bit dinged up, I guess is what you would say. But it looks like it's going to go on nice. Trying to get it into the crevices. This is an expensive paint, that's all I know. This wasn't cheap. But my son gave me a gift card for Christmas, and so he's paying for the paint, which I solely appreciate. I was thinking about painting this cabinet faces, this color as well. And so, what do you think? Why don't you leave something in the comments for me? And give me your thoughts on it. So let's take a look and see how it looks. And this is just one coat, but I think it's going to look good. I'm not worried about the roughness on the bottom of the trailer. You know, it's going to get rain and debris, but I think it turned out nice. I like the color. Let me know what you think. So I've got it turned back over. This is actually the way it's going to sit. Now this is the pantry, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to work on the galley sink shelf, I guess is what I'll call it. This will be the top shelf. There'll be a faceplate right here that'll go on the top of it. And so it'll go in like that. And you get the idea. So I'll be working on that today. Set it right here for now. But so the next step is to go back to the plans. And as you can see, I have a whole stack of them. And we're going to be putting in this middle board. Okay, the first step in the process is going to be to glue and screw. So I've got my braces cut at 27 3/4, and this will be 27 1/2. This is where the cooler is going to go, and this is going to be storage. Okay guys, I'm back and ready to install this. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to make sure I was level. And there we have it. Kitchen sink counter is in. Stay tuned, there'll be more.